Hi everyone, so our math session today we are going to be looking at long multiplication. We are going to try and use inverse operation to check our answers as well, and we are going to be doing long multiplication by recalling multiplication facts up to 10 times 10. So we're going to start off, there's two different ways that you can do long multiplication. You can either do it in a column or you can do it in a grid. So once we finish this video, it's totally up to you which method you decide on. As long as you get to the right answer, either way is fine. So if you're going to use the column, we're going to start off on the units, just as we do with subtraction or addition in columns. Now you can see I've left a bigger space here because we're going to have to put two answers there. You'll see why. So 6 times 2, we're going to start off in the unit. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 don't carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, and the 1 would be 7. So we've got the first answer of 72. Now underneath is the rule that we must put a 0 in the units column when we're on our second sum. Okay, that's just the rule. We just have to do it every single time. So we've used that too. Now we're going on to the tens column. So 6 times 2 again is 12, 2 don't carry the 1, 3 times 2 is 6, and the 1 is 7. Now you can see we've got two numbers that we're going to add together. We've got a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. We're going to add them together to give us the final answer. So 2 add 0 is 2, 7 add 2 is 9, and then 0 and 7 is 7. So we're going to check that and we're going to put it into our grid. Okay? So for our grid, all we need to do is partition the numbers, break the numbers down so we can understand them. So what do they mean? The 3 in 36 is 30, and the 6 is a unit. The 2 in the first 2 in 22 is 20 and 2. So we're going to put those numbers now around our grid. Now, we are going to use our smile multiplication, a method that we've used from Big Maths before to calculate these numbers together. So we multiply it. That's not too good, multiply it, okay. So the first one we got is 20 times 30, so like 30. Now we've got 2 zeros in there, so we can add those on straight away. And then we've got our smile for those two numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6. So our answer is 600. We're going to move across to 20 times 6. So we put our 0 down. And then we do our smile. 6 times 2 is 12. You could do an inverse operation and check that. We do by 120 divided by 6 is 20. Or 120 divided by 20 equals 6. And it should give you the same answer. Then we're going to do 2 times 30. So we've got 1 0 in there, and then our smile gives the answer of 6, and then 2 times 6 is 12. So we're going to add all of those answers up in our grid into a column, and hopefully we'll have the same answers here. And there you have it, the same answer. So either method is perfectly fine. Have a try for me, guys. Good luck.